Complete subject. Complete subject is all of the words that tell whom or what the sentence is about. For a complete subject, we get to identify the simple subject plus all of the adjectives or objects. Okay? So example number 1. People throughout Asia enjoy going out to a soccer match. My simple subject, what is the simple focus? It's people. How could I describe these people? People throughout Asia. In example number 2, the list of players includes such baseball greats as Ramon Martinez and Fernando Valenzuela. Before, we had identified list as the simple subject. Now I get to describe this list, so I'm going to identify the list of players as my complete subject. Most likely, my complete subject is going to be everything before my verb. Everything before my verb is most likely going to be my complete subject. Complete predicate. This is the verb and all the words used to describe the verb. And it's usually just the rest of the sentence. Okay, so example number 1, Mark's brother delivers pizza throughout Los Angeles. Delivers is my verb. What does he deliver? And where does he go? He delivers pizza throughout Los Angeles. As a quick cheat sheet, I can just underline delivers and go all the way to the end of the sentence. Compound subject. Compound subject is 2 or more connected subjects that have the same verb. Your key words are going to be and, or. In example number 1, Hannah and Shara worked on homework. I see my word and, I look on both sides. Hannah and Shara are both subjects. Together, they make a compound subject. Please note, I am not underlining and. And is not a subject. It's just a connecting word. The compound subject is Hannah and Shara. Example number 2. Among the guest speakers were an astronaut, an engineer, and a journalist. I identify my connecting word and. I look around. There are 3 compound subjects in this case. Astronaut, engineer, journalist. Again, I do not underline and, because that is a connecting word, and I don't need my articles. Just underline your subject. Compound verb. A compound verb is 2 or more verbs that have the same subject. Example number 1. The dog barked and growled at the stranger. Just like a compound subject, my connecting words are going to be and, or. So in example number 1, identify and. Does barked and growled come from the same subject? Yes, the dog is barking and growling. Barked and growled is my compound verb. Again, I do not underline and, that's just a connecting word. In example number 2, all flowers sprout, bloom, and wither. My connecting word and. Some actions are sprout, bloom, wither. I make sure they come from the same subject. Flowers do all of these. I underline all 3 of them. They are the compound verbs.